Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into the Google account tied to rewards. This verifies ownership and prevents data loss. Once signed in, open the Google Opinion Rewards app or Rewards. Google.com so you can access settings immediately. Make sure your recovery email and phone are correct. This helps if Google flags the change. If you see a security prompt, follow the two-step verification flow. Do it now to avoid interruptions later. These steps establish a secure base so you can safely change account details. Now you change the rewards account within the app by navigating to Profile, then Settings and Account. This shows the currently linked address. Once there, choose Change Account and either pick another listed Google account or add a new one. Adding requires signing in and granting permissions. You must confirm transfer prompts so surveys and balance migrate properly. Read them and accept. After switching, sync immediately so pending rewards appear. This middle stage is about accurate selection and permission confirmation to keep your balance intact. Finish by verifying your reward balance and recent survey history under the newly linked account so you confirm everything moved. If balances or surveys do not appear, sign out and sign back in. This forces a server refresh and often resolves sync glitches. Make sure the app is updated and your device has a stable connection before retrying. If problems persist, note your old and new account ID and contact Google support. Provide those ID and timestamps so support can investigate and restore any missing rewards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.